Geezer was on the way to a dog park and the tarp on the back seat is wrapping around him, so he's now officially tarp dog.
They're the ones that guard penguins in Victoria.
Ooh.
They're meant to look more like sheep.
Oh, dog battle. Oh, that was your first time climbing up that thing. Well done.
Look at those palm trees there!
What's up? Not Diesel. And here comes Diesel entering the fight and tap out. And Diesel. I've lost him again. I'm going to put a bib on next time we come in.
Get in there and sort of.
Yeah, Zoe, come on. He's like, I've done my washing day, Dad.
This is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
Recharge, Dogs. Dogs life. Diesel, how was the dog park? Did you have fun at the dog park, making friends with 100 dogs? And I'm glad the dogs did not take advantage of you. You're still a pure, innocent, wearing white doggy. But I'm glad you had fun digging holes and running around and drinking lots of water, and you maybe clean up your dog stuff. And I almost threw up, but that's fine. It's building character for me. All right, we're gonna take you home, and then you get to relax. Bye.